Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to see who read your broadcast message on WhatsApp, step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step 2. Next, tap on your broadcast. This will open the list of contacts who received your message. Remember, a broadcast is like sending a message to multiple people at once, but they see it as a personal chat. Step 3. Now, find the specific message you want to check the read status for. This could be any message you've sent in the broadcast. Step 4. Once you've located the message, press and hold it. This will highlight the message and reveal some additional options at the top of your screen. Step 5. Finally, tap on the info icon in the top menu. This will open up a detailed breakdown of your message's delivery status. Here, you'll see two sections, Delivered to and Read By. The Read By section will show you the names of the contacts who have opened and read your message. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily find out who has read your broadcast messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.